How to create a content calendar for social media with ChatGPT. Struggling to stay consistent on social media? Let's use ChatGPT to build a content calendar step by step. So start by defining your content goals: brand awareness, engagement, or lead generation. ChatGPT can help you clarify these. Next, identify categories like educational tips, promotional posts, engagement content, and seasonal trends. Ask ChatGPT to suggest categories tailored to your niche. Now, prompt ChatGPT to create monthly themes. For example, summer staging tips, rainy season property care, or holiday investment ideas. Ask ChatGPT to design a weekly posting mix, a balance of market design, testimonials, listings, polls, and behind the scenes keeps your feed fresh. Feed your categories into ChatGPT and it will generate post ideas, captions, and hashtag ready for Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Transfer the ideas into a calendar tool like Google Sheets, Notion, or Trello. Add columns for date, platform, caption, hashtags, and media. And that is how you create a social media content calendar with ChatGPT.